Great golf shots should not depend on spending a fortune. In this video, we'll uncover the best budget irons golf players can trust for distance, forgiveness, and control. So welcome to my channel. Check the links in the description and find the irons that upgrade your game without draining your wallet. The number 5 product on our list is Yamato golf iron. A golfer does not always need expensive irons to feel a cleaner strike and a sharper path toward the green. The Yamato golf iron set gives right-handed players a practical 5 to pitching wedge lineup built for everyday improvement without making the bag feel overcomplicated. Its biggest appeal is coverage. You get essential clubs for mid-range shots, approach shots, and scoring opportunities, so beginners and casual golfers can build consistency with one matching set instead of mixing random irons. The sleek head design gives it a more polished look on the course, while the durable construction feels ready for repeated range sessions and weekend rounds. The ergonomic grip also matters more than many buyers expect, because a secure hold helps reduce tension and makes each swing feel more controlled. Compared with premium forged irons, the Yamato set may not offer the same buttery feedback or advanced workability for low handicap players. But for golfers who want affordable golf irons, reliable distance gaps, and a cleaner setup from fairway to green, it brings strong value. This is ideal for beginners, improving players, and men upgrading from old, mismatched clubs who want a simple, right-handed iron set that feels modern without draining the budget. It brings relief to players tired of blaming worn-out gear and adds a steady sense of progress to each round. When the club selection feels simpler and the approach shots start landing with purpose, golf becomes less frustrating and far more rewarding. At number 4 is MAZEL WM-X1 golf iron. Some irons punish small mistakes so harshly that one thin strike can shake your whole round. The MAZEL WM-X1 golf iron is built for players who want easier distance, smoother launch, and a more forgiving feel without paying premium club prices. Its deep-grooved hitting face helps create better control and cleaner contact, giving improving golfers a stronger chance to keep shots on line even when the swing is not perfect. The back cavity design lowers the center of gravity, which helps the ball get up faster and travel with more energy from the tee, fairway, fringe, or rough. That easy launch is a major relief for beginners and mid-handicap players who struggle to lift long iron shots consistently. The stainless steel build adds durability and reduces unwanted vibration, so impact feels steadier in the hands. The rubber grip also brings comfort, traction, and shock absorption, helping you swing with less tension. Compared with a high-end forged iron, the MAZEL WM-X1 may not deliver the same soft feedback or shot-shaping control for advanced golfers. But for players chasing affordable golf irons, better forgiveness, useful distance, and dependable performance, it offers strong value. This is ideal for budget-focused golfers, weekend players, beginners, and anyone replacing older clubs that no longer inspire trust. It brings relief, better control, and a practical path toward cleaner scoring. When the ball launches higher and the strike feels less punishing, every approach shot starts carrying a little more belief. The third one on our list is XINGGM golf iron. A fairway shot feels different when the club face gives you a real chance instead of exposing every flaw. The XINGGM golf iron is made for golfers who want better control, easier contact, and stronger value from an affordable golf club. Its CNC milled deep grooves help improve spin, accuracy, and shot consistency, which matters when you are trying to hold a line instead of watching the ball leak away. The low center of gravity design helps reduce digging through the turf, giving players a smoother strike from different lies. That is a major relief for beginners and weekend golfers who often struggle with heavy contact. The concave back design and broad sole add forgiveness, helping the club feel more stable even when the strike is not perfectly centered. QPQ technology gives the iron a tougher, longer-lasting finish, so it feels ready for practice sessions and regular rounds without looking or feeling cheap too quickly. Compared with premium branded irons, the XINGGM may not offer the same refined feedback or elite shot shaping for advanced players. But for budget-minded golfers chasing faster ball speed, dependable launch, and a more forgiving iron, it makes a strong case. This is ideal for new players, casual golfers, and anyone upgrading from an older club while keeping spending under control. It brings relief, practical value, and a cleaner path to improvement. When the club glides through turf and the ball leaves with purpose, the game starts feeling less like a battle and more like progress. On number 2 is Gowolf Golf Iron. A great iron does not just send the ball farther, it makes a golfer feel like the next shot finally has a plan. The Gowolf Golf Iron is built for players who want forgiveness, distance, and control without stepping into luxury pricing. Its larger sweet spot helps reduce the damage from off-center hits, so those slightly missed swings can still fly straighter and stay useful. The deep CNC milled grooves add spin control and help channel debris away from impact, giving approach shots a cleaner chance to stop on the green. The hollow body construction brings stronger energy transfer and faster ball speed, while the lightweight 950 series steel shaft supports easier swing speed without feeling weak. That combination is especially helpful for golfers who want more distance but still need stability. The perimeter weighting adds another layer of forgiveness, making the club feel steady through contact. Compared with a basic budget iron, the Gowolf feels more complete because it blends launch, spin, comfort, and power in one package. The non-slip rubber grip helps absorb vibration and reduce hand fatigue, which makes longer rounds feel less punishing. The downside is that advanced players may still prefer a tour-style iron with sharper feedback and more shot-shaping freedom. This is ideal for beginners, improving golfers, gift buyers, and anyone building a reliable iron setup from 5-iron through pitching wedge. It brings relief, strong value, and a more enjoyable path to better approach play. When the strike feels powerful and the miss feels less costly, the course suddenly becomes easier to trust. Now moving to the last one is MAZEL Golf Iron. A clean iron shot can change the mood of an entire hole, especially when the ball finally climbs instead of crawling low and weak. The MAZEL Golf Iron is built for players who want easier launch, stronger control, and dependable performance without paying top-tier prices. Its back cavity design places the center of gravity lower, helping golfers get the ball airborne faster with more speed off the face. That matters for beginners and weekend players who struggle with thin shots or weak approach distances. The trailing edge is another practical detail, because it helps the club glide through turf instead of sticking, giving fairway shots a smoother feel and reducing those frustrating heavy strikes. The deep CNC milled grooves add control and consistency, helping shots fly with better accuracy and more purpose toward the target. The stainless steel shaft feels durable and stable, supporting solid power transfer through impact. Compared with a premium player's iron, it may not deliver the same soft feedback or advanced shaping control, but it gives far more forgiveness and value for golfers who simply want cleaner results. This is ideal for budget-focused players, improving golfers, and anyone replacing old irons that make every approach feel uncertain. It brings relief, solid distance, and a more comfortable path to better scoring. When the club moves smoothly through the grass and the ball starts launching with confidence, the fairway feels less intimidating and every green feels a little more reachable. So guys, this was the video about the best budget irons golf. We've carefully covered some of the best options available right now to help you make a smarter and more confident decision. Whether you're looking for performance, durability, value for money, or the latest features, this guide was designed to give you a clear and practical overview so you can pick what truly fits your needs. If any of the products we mentioned caught your interest, you'll find all the links conveniently placed in the description below. Make sure to check them out for more details, updated pricing, and availability. Taking a moment to explore those links can really help you choose the right option without any confusion. If you found this video helpful or enjoyed the content, don't forget to hit the like button. Your support means a lot and helps us keep creating more useful and high-quality videos for you. Also, be sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest uploads. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.